Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change Bluetooth connection quality for your headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open the application. Now scroll down and click on device settings. Then scroll down again. And right here we have a Bluetooth connection quality line, so click here, and you have two options, or prioritize sound quality or prioritize stable connection. So if you want to swap to stable connection, just click here and OK. Or if you wanna swap to prioritize sound quality, click here and click again OK. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!